Long before the sleek Apple stores we know today, there was the Olivetti showroom in New York, a masterpiece of design and innovation. Opened on October 21st, 1954 on Fifth Avenue, this wasn't just a store, it was a bold statement. Designed by famed Italian architect Carlo Scarpa, the Olivetti showroom was a blend of modernism and elegance, featuring open spaces, glass walls, and meticulous attention to detail. Inside, products were displayed like pieces of art, each one given space to breathe. The focus was on creating an experience where technology and design came together in harmony, a concept way ahead of its time. This visionary approach mirrors what we see in today's Apple stores, where the environment reflects the innovation of the products themselves. Olivetti wasn't just selling typewriters, they were selling a vision of the future. The Olivetti showroom on Fifth Avenue set the stage for how tech brands would showcase their products, a legacy that continues